Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide collections in Shopify without deleting them. This is really useful if you want to temporarily remove a collection from your storefront, maybe for seasonal products, upcoming launches, or items you're not ready to display yet while keeping everything saved in your admin for later. Let's go through it step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage everything in your store. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and go to Products, then click on Collections. Here, you'll see a full list of all the collections you've created. Next, find the collection you want to hide. Once you locate it, check the box next to its name. This tells Shopify that you want to make changes to that specific collection now. Look at the right-hand panel and click on Exclude from Sales Channels. This is where you can control which sales channels your collection appears on. A pop-up window will appear. In that window, select Online Store. That's the main sales channel where your customers view your products. Then click Exclude Collections. This action will hide the collection from your storefront, meaning customers won't be able to see it, but it'll still be available to you inside your Shopify admin. And that's it. The collection is now hidden from your live store, but it hasn't been deleted. You can always go back and include it again later whenever you're ready to make it visible. It is a super handy way to manage your products behind the scenes while keeping your storefront organized and up to date. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and leave a comment if there's another topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.